In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your suspensions report. To access this report, you can click on the Reports menu and under Other, click on Suspension. The suspension report is available when you have the suspensions feature enabled in your service settings. For this report, you can filter by the suspension type, whether it's both or account or just behavioural. You can filter and search by guardian or child, or you can simply search by a specific date range. You can filter by all, whether they're active or inactive, or just active or inactive separately. When you've completed your search criteria, you can click Search. This will display the guardian or child's name, whether it's under account or behavioural suspension type, the status of the suspension record, the start date, the end date, and the description as to the reason why the child or guardian has that suspension. Like all reports in Kidsoft, you can email this out, generate into a CSV, so an Excel format, or save it as a PDF or print a copy. For further information on the suspensions report or the suspensions feature as a whole, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.